degree batch in KLE B.Ed College, Ankola. Students don't hate maths. What they hate is being confused, intimidated and embarrassed by maths. With understanding comes passion. With passion comes growth. So treasure is unlocked. I'm going to take a small session on the topic problems related to mathematics. The problems in teaching as well as in learning process. Before that, what is mathematics and how one can understand mathematics? Just by understanding its concept, one can maximize their mathematical knowledge, right? If the concept is clear, then there is no problem. When the subject fails to channelize its concept, there the problem arises. So, let us glance those problems which are related to mathematics one by one. So, the first problem that is related to the mathematics is lack of interest. We often see that the students are out of focus when the mathematics class is going on. Why? Because they think that mathematics is the toughest subject and only brilliant and exceptional students can do it, not the ordinary students. This attitude of the students makes them to start hating that subject. This hatredness will lead to the lack of attentiveness and interest. We should remember one thing here, that inferior teaching and pointless learning. I repeat, inferior teaching and pointless learning shows that the subject is not alive. So let's move on to the second problem, that is connection to the real world. Students can relate other subjects to the real world, but why not mathematics? It's because mathematics is an abstract concept. The education system could not make any connection between the abstract mathematical concept and its real learning. It doesn't have a direct application to the real world. That's why it's often hard for the students to relate mathematics to their real life. And also the teaching strategy. Teaching strategies are still close to the traditional methods, that is chalk and talk method, without using the technology. This is about connection to the real world. Third one is no proper trainings for the teachers. Without the appropriate approach, a teacher cannot teach and the learners cannot understand the concept easily. Math teacher must get the proper training to communicate and to explain the concepts easily. They must get the thorough training process to acquire knowledge and skills so that they can teach effectively. Fourth one is prerequisite knowledge. Prerequisite knowledge, in simple words, the knowledge students carry from their previous class. Whenever the students enters their next level of studies, they come with some previous knowledge. I think this previous knowledge is the very essential factor to understand the mathematical concept easily, because one cannot solve the mathematical problems and cannot understand the mathematical concepts easily without the strong basics. For instance, children learn addition and subtraction before going to multiplication. Similarly, they learn multiplication and division before attempting the percentage. Therefore, adequate prerequisite knowledge is essential to learn mathematics. And the fifth one is individual differences. When we consider a classroom, there we get number of students with different minds. Some are brilliant minds and some are slow learners. Everyone cannot catch the subject or the concept in the same way. Of course, the brilliant minds catch the concept easily and instantly, but not the slow learners. Slow learners face problems in understanding the concepts. And the sixth problem is teaching methodology. Teaching varies from teacher to teacher. Currently, the teachers are more focused on mechanics instead of its underlying concepts. Teachers must teach the critical skills to their students instead of just teaching how to memorize the facts. Education never stands still. Teachers must be aware of the latest teaching skills and techniques. Seventh one, misconception and anxiety about mathematics. Because of misconception and anxiety about mathematics, students think that they can't study mathematics or they can't learn mathematics. If the students from the beginning they think that they can't do well in mathematics, they will end up by having fear towards mathematics. You know what Einstein said? I have no special talents, but I am passionately curious. Thank you for watching.